Hi folks, let's continue with our tutorial about game math. In this lecture we will add one node, call it tail, so in your search box write tail. We will select tail map node and click create. Our goal with the tail map is to create one element for a game window. I'm just zooming with the middle mouse button, and if we want to use this tail map, you will need to first download one PNG file from your resource folder and then put it in a game project resource folder. If you don't know location of game project, go to project, quit to project list and see where is your project located. When you put this file inside your project folder, you will see it here in a game window project folder. Our resource, as I say, is PNG file. So select your newly created tail map node, go to inspector window, tail map section, and we will go to tail set. Click once and select new tail set. After that, click another time in this newly created tail set. First thing for our tail set is image. We cannot create any tail, any graphic part for our game window before we use image for tail set. We can try with this. Add texture, and if you put it right, you will find this file. You can open this file. This file can be used under free license, and after you put it, you will get something like this. After that, we will click once on a new single tail. So we want to create single tail. Click once. Then we will select region for this tail. Your grid need to be visible. If grid is not visible, please select this button, enable snap and show grid. And only with a click of the mouse you will select one region. If you want more, click, hold your left mouse button and move to region you want to use. For this tail you can create also collision, occlusion, ill navigation. This is not necessary, but just as a showcase I will show you how to create collision for some other game element. Click once on collision, click once on new rectangular, and then just click, hold left mouse, and you will get your collision for single tail set. After that, you can just click another time on a tail map or here, and you need to see in this part of window complete tail set. So click once here and you will see your tail map here. On the right side here in this narrow window you will see one single tail. This is your tail set here. If you click, you can see it. Your tail is here, complete. But if you want to see one single tail, then you need to leave this tail editing window and use this window. If you want After that, to see this tail in a game, just move it where you want and click in some place. This tail will be visible on your game window. So after you click on a game, play scene here, or just click on F6 on your keyboard, you will see game window. In a game window, we have one tail map, single tail map, and here is some numbers from a label created before. Thank you for watching this lecture. You can expect interesting continuation in a next lecture. Have a good day and goodbye.